Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to clear all the caches from Windows 11. So this is my Windows 10 PC, don't worry. So we are going to go into the Windows 11 PC now. So first of all guys, we can delete the temporary files. So how to delete the temporary file from your Windows? Simply open the run with Windows plus R or with the search, and in here guys simply type temp, T-E-M-P, hit enter. Once you hit enter guys, it will show you all the temp file here. Control A to select all and shift plus delete button to permanently delete the items. So if some of them is still here, just don't worry, let them do the setting for basic now. Tick this box, and once this box is ticked, just close this out. Again Windows plus R button, and this time from the front just only add the percentage, from the back add the percentage with shift, hit enter. Again you will get all lot of files here if you haven't do that. So press shift delete and permanently delete it. All the temp file will be deleted. Now the third command is prefetch, and it will ask you the permission, so hit yes, we are the administrator. Select all with Control A, shift plus delete, permanently deleted all. Now check your system drive, it should be free up. And the third command is, this is very important, cleanmgr. Now hit enter, hit OK. Now I see lot of guys do like tick all the boxes here, but do not do that. Just tick this option, clean up the system files, and again hit OK. This process will do basically delete all the old files here. As you can see, select all the option now, select all the options here now and hit OK. Delete all the files. Now this will free up almost lot of GB from your system, and just need to wait here until it's done automatically, and it will be minimized now automatically. So these are the 3 through 4 methods to clean up your system. I mean all the caches will be deleted by this way. Also you can recycle, delete the recycle bin here. Lot of files if there, you can empty the bin here, and now it should see yes, yeah, you can see 2 GB is free. So now go to your this drive, and now you will see lot of C drive is free now. Also open the system restore point if you have created that, like this, restore, hit OK. Now in here guys, there is an option of deleting all the files here. Create, let me show you. Now you can see delete option here, 2 GB is occupied in my system, so delete here as well, apply OK, and you will get lot of space is free now. And also you can look for whatever the software is taking more uses or your Windows. This one is for analyzing the Windows. Go to system and go to storage, and now it will give you all the information which software, which category is taking more space in your system. As you can see here, temporary files, you can also delete it from here, but the download will be included, you can see. So untick the deleted one and tick all the other options here, and then remove the files. Yeah, continue. Now you should see lot of free space. Also you can go to the install app, and uninstall the unused software which you don't use. Like just simply hit uninstall and hit yes. Now this will, you can see the unused software will be deleted from here, and it will also give you some more space. As I don't play the Xbox, it is only giving the some KB or MB, but this is a good habit. If you don't use any software, just uninstall them without any hesitations. And this is the end. So this is how, guys. Hope this helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.